Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Kia Optima. First, gather your new oil, filter, wrench, drain pan, and safety gear. Ensure your engine is warm, not hot, for optimal oil flow. Always park on a level surface and set the parking brake to prevent any movement. Safety is key before you start working under the car. Now carefully slide your drain pan under the oil pan. Using the correct wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug, letting the old oil flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the area, install a new crush washer, and securely tighten the drain plug to prevent leaks. Next, locate the oil filter and use your filter wrench to remove it. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity for your Kia Optima. Carefully pour the fresh oil into the engine's filler opening. Remember to check the description for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off and wait a few minutes. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct, adding more if needed, and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.